Incorporated TN sells 1,585 shares of Invesco S&P 500 High Dividend Low Volatility ETF, NYSE ARC IS-PHD. Patten Incorporated TN lowered its position in shares of Invesco S&P 500 High Dividend Low Volatility ETF, NYSE ARC IS-PHD, by 6.6% during the second quarter, according to the company in its most recent filing with the Securities and Exchange Commission. The institutional investor owned 22,515 shares of the company's stock after selling 1,585 shares during the quarter. Patten Incorporated TN's holdings in Invesco S&P 500 High Dividend Low Volatility ETF were worth $948,000 as of its most recent filing with the Securities and Exchange Commission. Several other institutional investors have also recently bought and sold shares of the business. Bell Bank increased its stake in shares of Invesco S&P 500 High Dividend Low Volatility ETF by 50.3% during the first quarter. Bell Bank now owns 69,746 shares of the company's stock worth $2,961,000 after purchasing an additional 23,343 shares during the last quarter. Interactive Financial Advisors grew its stake in Invesco S&P 500 High Dividend Low Volatility ETF by 2.4% in the first quarter. Interactive Financial Advisors now owns 15,020 shares of the company's stock valued at $638,000 after buying an additional 347 shares in the last quarter. CIBC World Markets Incorporated purchased a new position in Invesco S&P 500 High Dividend Low Volatility ETF in the first quarter valued at approximately $262,000. Wealth Plan Partners LLC grew its stake in Invesco S&P 500 High Dividend Low Volatility ETF by 1.4% in the first quarter. Wealth Plan Partners LLC now owns 24,822 shares of the company's stock valued at $1,042,000 after buying an additional 340 shares in the last quarter. Finally, Cetera Advisor Networks LLC grew its position in shares of Invesco S&P 500 High Dividend Low Volatility ETF by 10.7% during the first quarter. Cetera Advisor Networks LLC now owns 57,580 shares of the company's stock valued at $2,442,000 after purchasing an additional 5,557 shares in the last quarter. SPHD opened at $41.03 on Monday. The firm's 50-day moving average price is $42.25. Invesco S&P 500 High Dividend Low Volatility ETF has a one-year low of $36.16 and a one-year high of $43.42.